24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Punctuation. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Learning objectives. Students should be able to identify full stop, question mark, and capital letters as punctuation marks. Use punctuations in a sentence correctly. Recall. Help the students to recall question words. Encourage them to make at least 2 sentences around each word and write the answers too. What is your mother's name? Question mark. My mother's name is Rashida. Full stop. What is the color of your bag? Question mark. It is black. Full stop. Introduction. Begin the lesson by showing the pupils an enlarged full stop and question mark and tell them that a sentence always starts with a capital letter. This is my car. In this sentence, T will be capital. He is in the class. In this sentence, H will be capital. She is eating. In this sentence, S will be capital. A full stop should always be used to end a sentence. Ali is walking. Full stop. We are reading. Full stop. This is my pencil. Full stop. What is your name? Question mark. Where are you going? Question mark. Who is your brother? Question mark. Read. Write all the above sentences on the board and read each sentence at least 3 times. Help the students to read them independently. Recognition. Write some sentences on the board and ask the students which symbol we should use at the end of a sentence. Review and writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.